video is going to be common college essay questions. Now, when you think of an essay question, it's typically longer than one sentence. So you're not going to be just translating that sentence or those sentences. You have to think of what that question is asking, so the meaning of it, and then put it into ASL. So I'll go through a couple of them with you. So the first one is, some students have a background, identity, interest, or talent that is so meaningful that they feel they need to share it. Please share your story. So what you're going to do is sign background, so BG, identity, talent or skill, or interest. You can either sign something you're interested in or something you're passionate about or an activity that interests you that is important. What? Okay, so you can separate those if it's you can separate those into different parts. So background, important, what? Or your identity is important, how? Or your skill, important, what? Or your activities or interests, important, what? Okay, so you're going to take each word basically, pick one of them, and then put it into the form of a question with important. The next one, lessons we take from obstacles or challenges. So, in the past, challenge, experienced what? Or failure. So, in the past, fail, experience what? If you wanted to ask what they learned from that experience, after asking the question, you would ask, you learned what? So next question, reflect on a time when you questioned or challenged a belief or idea. So in the past, idea, you disagree what, and then what do. So again, in the past, ideas with an I comes from your head. Idea, you think opposite what, and what do. Now, solving a problem or a problem that you would like to solve. So you can either say something in the world you'd like to see changed or a problem you want to solve. So world, change with an X, want, what? World, change, want, what? Or problem, solve, you want. Problem, solve, you want, what? Okay? The next one, describe an accomplishment, event, or success that helped you to grow and now you understand yourself or others. So in the past, what is your biggest accomplishment? In the past, success is with a U. What? Or in the past, success, biggest, or best. So you know the sign for big-ist, best, what? In the past, success, biggest, or best, what? Describe a topic, idea, or concept that you find engaging. So something that you are fascinated by. So you would say idea or thing you are fascinated by. So here are your eyes, you're glued in. What? So idea, activity, thing you are fascinated by is what? The other questions are much more simple, like why did you pick this college or why did you pick your major? So college you picked, why? Major you picked, why? What does your life look like 5 years from now? 5 years in the future? Either what are you doing or 5 years in the future, your life looks same as what? Who is your role model? Your role model is who? So role with an R, make a circle. Role, example, or model, who? Why should we accept you to this college? So, college, accept you, should. Why? What event or experience has changed or impacted your life? So, in the past, experience or past event, your life changed what? How are you different or unique? So, you are unique. How? Or you are the same as everyone else, not how or why. And in general, you might be asked what has had an impact on your life. So the sign for impact is something that really hit you or was profound. So an impact.